Dear viewers, it is important you know that we are not doctors, and this video is not a substitute for your medical treatment. For any of your health issues and concerns, please make sure you consult with your doctor or a health professional. Thank you. Today we are presenting you with something that is very, very essential and will be very educative. As we all know, over the past few years, a lot of people have tended to go towards organic sources for different things, food, health, and all that, all whatnot. Well, today we are going herbal. How in Africa we use herbs for major ailments, not just major, even minor ailments. And I have a guest with me today. The guy is a pro. You will want to hear everything he has got to say. So stay tuned and follow us. And please don't forget, if you've not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and share. We're coming back. Damilare. Now we're going to go into the basics of this.
Okay.
Hello viewers. Today we are going to be talking on solution for weak erection. Mr. Damilare, let's talk about weak erection.
Okay.
What exactly is weak erection?
Weak erection is inability to satisfy a woman sexually.
So we are saying that weak erection is the inability of a man to satisfy a woman sexually. How can this be handled or cured at home? What herbs do you have here that can be put together to be used for this ailment?
First, the herbs. This herb here, we have it. They call it I don't toro in Yoruba.
Sorry?
I don't toro in Yoruba.
I don't toro.
Yes.
Dear viewers, if there's anyone that knows the English word for this, kindly put it in the comment section. Thank you.
I will also have this jedi.
Okay, he says this is called jedi. Also put the English name in the comment section.
We also have this one, we call it abere. You can see that, like a seed, abere. You can see that.
Abere. It looks like ogbono seed, but it's not as
abere.
As fiesta as ogbono seed. So if you know the English name, please.
So they will cut it together. Once they cut it,
just these three.
Exactly.
Okay. So what quantity of jedi can be used? Everything?
Actually, this and this, everything is fine. You can see that because it's the natural resources. It's the but it has to do with the measurement and how you take it.
Okay.
That's just it in the
Okay.
first place.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Now you can see this. Now this is the measurement. This is the measurement of this one.
Oh,
so this I don't toro and the jedi with the abere. This is the
four seeds of abere.
So this one is going to be the first time, the first step in the pot.
Okay.
So why this as well? It's going to be the second, and this is third.
Okay. So excuse me, is the pot going to contain water already?
Yes, it's going to contain water already. So after the water, then followed by abere.
So you put water in a pot, and then what quantity of water?
Like let me say
5 liters.
5 liters.
Okay, so for this measurement, you put 5 liters of water in a pot, and then you first of all insert your 4 seeds of abere. Dear viewers, you know the English name, kindly put it in the comment section.
And this jedi easy.
Then after inserting your 4 seeds of abere, you also put your jedi stems. Okay.
So now you cut it, then
okay.
I don't toro.
They are to cut it.
Yes,
you put pieces
you pieces it.
Okay, so you don't put it this way, or you need to cut it into smaller bits. You cut this into smaller bits and put it next. Now listen, this goes in first, followed by this after being cut into smaller bits.
And this I don't toro.
And yes. This I don't toro. Do you also cut this?
You cut it.
You also make this into smaller bits.
Yes.
And then it stays on top. Something like in this sequence. Okay, so how long is this boiled?
So after 10 to 15 minutes.
So you boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then what next?
Then we will start taking it morning and night.
What quantity?
Let me say a glass of cup.
So we're talking about a glass. Unfortunately,
I would say.
Is it like
2 sample of this?
Okay, so
content.
2 cups of this in the morning.
In the morning and at night. Before meal, in the morning, then after meal.
So 2 cups of this. See, this is the smallest,
size
of the disposable cup. So 2 cups of this first thing in the morning before meal, and then the last thing at night after your meal. How long is this?
3 times in a week. 3 times every 3 times in a week.
Only 3 times a week.
Morning.
Joe, don't go and take it every day because you want fast work.
It's very active and effective.
3 times a week. First thing in the morning and the last thing at night. Now, so how long will this be taken before they start seeing the effects?
After at least after 3 days, start seeing the effects. You will see the immune system will respond to the performances and the pennies, and before you know, your prick is going to be like you will stand.
Dear man.
The cabinet, the mouth of your pennies will be everything will be ginger.
Dear man.
Last longer.
Confirm solution.
Now confirm.
Confirm solution.
Perform well in bed.
So, he's saying that once you start taking it, automatically you begin to see the effects of this medication. But is it for a month, 2 months, or 3 months? Is it going to be a continuous thing?
No, it's not going to be a continuous thing. Once maybe you use it for a while, like a month, then do not use it again. Then you start, as a man yourself, naturally, because it's natural resources, there's going to, you have reset your immune system. So then you begin to perform even though you have 3 wives, 10 wives, 3 wives, you can satisfy them.
Please, so we're not encouraging you to go have 5 or 10 wives.
But I'm not encouraging you to go have wives. Don't go kill
Don't go kill yourself, Sha. May they tell you my own. Okay, so I hope you've gotten it. 2 cups of this first thing in the morning on an empty tummy, and 2 cups of this last thing at night. Every 3 times a week.
Yes.
Okay. For at least 1 month, and then after 1 month, you'll be confirmed yourself that this actually works. Okay, so that is that for the weak erection.
But before the 1 month, you'll be seeing the effects in your system, the effective of the herbs in your system. So then you can perform.
After your first or second day, then you can try it with your wife. Okay. I believe I'm talking to married men here. I don't support all that. So married men, after your second day, you can try it with your wife, and then you will see that
what is NAWODE? NAWODE.
It's in the work.
NAWODE. NAWODE. Thank you.
All right, guys.
In case for some maybe you can't prepare it yourself, I also have the powder.
Oh, so
the powder for it, maybe because
is that the manpower?
The manpower, yes.
Okay, so for those who cannot get all this or he has the manpower powder. His details are going to be in the comment section, and then you can always you can reach out to him. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Damilare. That is that for the weak erection. Okay, so Mr. Damilare, how do our viewers reach you if and when they want to reach you?
Yeah, our head office, number 2, Obakran Road, Gaza Plaza, Ikeja, Lagos State.
Okay.
I repeat, our head office, 2, Gaza Plaza, Obakran, Ikeja, Lagos State. Okay, our phone number 081 28 53 85 44. That is normal. So then you can reach me, you can reach us on platform, on social media as NAWODE Herbal Mixture, on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. God bless you. Okay, so on social medias, please search for NAWODE Herbal Mixture. You can follow him there. Then their head office is at number 2, Oba Akran
Road, Ikeja, Lagos. That will be the Gaza Plaza. And then their phone numbers are 081
28
28
53
53
85
85
44.
44. And I think that is also your WhatsApp number, right?
Yes.
So you can also reach them on WhatsApp via that number. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Damilare, and we look forward to discussing at length with you on other.
For international customers, clients, they are going to reach on us 081 28 53 85 44.
Okay, so the phone number is also the WhatsApp number, and if you are not within the shores of Nigeria, you can as well reach them on WhatsApp via that number. All right, Mr. Damilare, thank you so much for your time. We definitely appreciate you. And thank you, our dear viewers. Without you, there will be no JK Media. See you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.
Thank you.
We're going to be watching. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.